Welcome and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic token burning yesterday really increased. We saw a massive burn on Tectonic token, and a lot of people have actually also purchased Tectonic token. According to Tectonic address, the number of holders have really increased, and we're happy to see that Tectonic token is now increasing more every day than before. Even this month, Tectonic token have actually increased more than it was early last month. Now, Tectonic token can burn up to 350 trillion tokens before the end of 2025. Yes, the truth is we still have about 500 trillion tokens of Tectonic token in circulation, and we believe, of course, if Tectonic token can really destroy at least 70 to 80% of that number, definitely it's going to affect the price of Tectonic token positively. Now, 350 trillion can be burned before the end of 2025, according to some developers, because by next year, 2023, Tectonic token will be working on major project which will have to be in the area of burning Tectonic token. And remember that even Teruna Classic is not really burning, even with 1.2% tax burn. So they are kind of bringing in new projects that will really see Tectonic token destroy massively. Some number of Tectonic tokens actually mean a mass burn. I'm between the developers. Remember, we have 500 trillion coins out there for supply. They need to burn at least half of this. Tectonic token developers wants to destroy one of the biggest coin burn ever in history. What I mean is, this is not the kind of when you buy or you sell, then the coin developer will charge some certain amount and burn. But I think people are actually be proposing to them to actually destroy some at least 50 to 80% or 70% of Tectonic token supply. They should take it out of their supply. By that, the developers should on their own work on that and remove it. That will really help Tectonic token. Now let me give one certain thing to understand. From the beginning, for Shiba Doge, the day Shiba Doge was launched, Shiba Doge developers actually burned half, that is 50% of Shiba Doge supply by themselves. So we believe if the Tectonic token can try to do something by burning at least 50 to 70% of Tectonic token supply, and then also encourage the burning of Tectonic token before the end of 2025, we might be seeing Tectonic token destroying almost 350 trillion coins. Okay, though it's not going to be easy, but I want them to start this. I want them to work towards this. And thank God, even on Twitter, people have been talking about this burning. People have been talking about this supply of Tectonic token that they need to burn. So if the developers can really work towards that, I believe for the end of 2025, definitely we might be seeing one of the biggest burn in crypto industry, whereby Tectonic developers burning 50 to 70% of Tectonic token after 1 year. That is going to really help the Tectonic token price to increase before the end of 2023. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.